A tax strategist is somebody that you meet with regularly to talk about strategies on how to negate your taxes, right? And they're going to cost a little bit more. So I think that starting out as a business owner, everybody needs at least a tax preparer to file their taxes. Make sure that the reports get done properly, as well as a bookkeeper. I mean, bookkeepers probably needs an early hire as well. It's a couple $100 a month, but again, without that, you don't even know, like, how can you know where your business, how can you know the health of your business if you don't know the numbers, right? You don't know how much you're spending on marketing. You don't know how much you're spending on client acquisition. You don't know how much money you're spending on software. So you can't even know what the next step is without a bookkeeper. So I think an accountant and bookkeeper is something you should start off with, or at least get the QuickBooks software. Because if you get QuickBooks, dude, like, you can do most of the bookkeeping yourself. Because when you swipe the card, the expense automatically gets uploaded to QuickBooks in real time. All you have to do is hit accept or reject if the line item is correct. So you really can handle that on your own at the beginning. But I would say hire an accountant when you first start, and a tax preparer at the minimum. Do your own bookkeeping using QuickBooks or whatever software until you can hire a bookkeeper. And then like, once you start earning, like, once you're profitable in the business, like, you should get a tax strategist, because a good tax strategist can wipe out $100,000 in income easily.
Yeah. You know, here's where it gets difficult. And I'm learning this more and more as I get familiar and more educated on it. A lot of this stuff, how do I say this the right way? It's kind of open to interpretation.
Okay.
So one accountant might be like, oh yeah, you can kind of do it this way, or this could be a way that you could lower your taxes. Then another accountant's like, no, don't do that. But they're more risk averse. And this one is a bit more, like, they're willing to take a risk. And so one of the things for me is like, what makes a good accountant? Like, if I'm speaking with accountants and I'm thinking who I want to take forward, what should I be looking at in deciding, like, this is someone that should come on board and help me with my business, and I'm not gonna land in jail or getting audited every year? Like, how do I even deduce, like, this is someone who's good at what they do?
Yeah, it's a difficult situation to navigate for a lot of people. At least that's what they tell me. So when it comes to risk aversion or not, right? I believe in, we all fear what we don't understand, right? So in my personal opinion, a super risk averse accountant is somebody that hasn't studied enough, because they don't know, they're not confident in their own knowledge enough to see if this will stand in an audit, right?